Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim from JupiterJim.com and JupiterJimsMarketingTeam.com. I'm going to show you how to install the Stage 2 skin created by Matt and Mark Hodder at Themedy.com for the Thesis version 2.1 or higher. So here's the demo site at the Themedy.com website. Here's the demo site. So I'm going to show you how to make your site look exactly like the demo site. Here's the demo site that I'm on right now. It's just, if you look down here, you can see that we are using Thesis and it's using the classic responsive skin. We're going to add that Stage 2 skin so it looks like that. Let's go to Themedy.com. Here's the forums membership section. You need to be a paid member to get access here. Once you're here, you want to click on that Stage 2 link right there. Okay, we're only dealing with Thesis, obviously, so let's just download the skin first of all. And I'm going to put that in a folder that I've already created called Stage 2 Demo. There's the zip file that I'm downloading. Okay, next we want to go to Documentation. You have the User Manual for Stage 2. We want to click on this link that says Read This. And once you're there, you want to click on this link that says Download Thesis 2 Skins Exports. And then, surprise, surprise, you want to click on this download link, which is for Stage 2. Once again, there's the zip file or folder, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put it into the Stage 2 demo folder on my hard drive. Okay. I'm going to get to the folder. So there's the folder. This is the data. This is the zip file, Stage 2 Thesis 2 export that contains the post pages and pictures for the demo site. So I'm going to right click. I want to unzip it. If you like WinZip, you can use WinZip. I like to use 7-zip. Use whatever software program you want. I'm going to extract right here. It's going to create a separate folder called Stage 2. Okay, and there's that folder, the Stage 2 folder that was just created when we unzipped this Stage 2 file. So I'm going to double click on that, and you can see there's two files in here. One has a .xml ending, so that's an XML file. It starts with WI for Wordpress Importer. And this is a .json file, and that starts with TR for Themedy Replicate. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this folder. I'm going to, once again, there's the demo site at Themedy.com, and here's the demo site on my server. This is what it looks like with the classic responsive skin for Thesis, which is added by default. And let's go to the dashboard for this demo site. And first thing we need to do is import that. Let's just go to Manage Skins down here. Okay. We've got to upload that Stage 2 skin. So let's just upload the skin. Click here. It brings us, let's go back up there. There's the Stage 2 hyphen T2 for Thesis2.zip. Double click on that. Click Add Skin. Click OK. It says successfully installed. You can see that. Let's click OK. Now, after we've installed that, don't forget we need to activate it. Okay, now that we've just installed and activated that skin, there's something really critical. We need to install and activate that plugin. So let's just do that. Just click up there, click Install, click Apply. It's been installed successfully, so now we want to return to the required plugins. Click up. I like to click on the top one. Let's activate that plugin. Okay, so now you can see it's successfully activated. This is the plugin we're talking about. Let's just go back to the dashboard to get our bearings. Okay, at this point we want to import that XML file with the post pages and data and stuff like that for the demo site. So let's go to, Tools, Import. And before we import that XML file, we need to install and activate a plugin called Wordpress Importer, and that's how you do it, by just going to Tools, Import. Before I click Download, install now, excuse me, you can see it's been updated 3 weeks ago. It's updated for the current version of WordPress that I'm using, which is 3.8.1. It's been downloaded 6.5 million times. I just want to let you know, sometimes this plugin gets woefully outdated by months, but don't worry, it always seems to work even when it's not updated for the latest and greatest version of WordPress. So I'm just going to click install now. And you can see it was successfully installed. Now we need to activate it. So I'm going to click there to activate and run the importer. And now I need to choose that file. You can see right there it says it's looking for an XML file. So I'm going to choose the file. There's the stage 2 folder. Once again, that was created when we unzipped this export file. Okay, so let's double click, open up that folder, and we're just going to double click on this file. It starts with WI. For WordPress Importer, it's XML. You can see that. Let's double click. So there's the file. That's what we've chosen. Now we need to upload the file and import. We're going to assign to the existing user, which is me. Surprise, surprise. Whoops. Click on that box that says download and import file attachments. Click submit. And sometimes it seems to drag on 60 seconds. Maybe my computer's slow. Sometimes it only takes 10 seconds. Just wait until it's done. Once you get the thing that says have fun, I'm just going to click there. It brings us back to the dashboard. Now I'm going to go to appearance, click on Themedy, replicate, choose the file, and it's going to be the TR file that we were talking about earlier that ends in .json. The TR stands for Themedy replicate. I'm going to double click on it, and you can see that's the .json file. I'm going to click restore. Okay, it says it's restored successfully. You know, we're doing great. We're almost done. Couple of quick things, little housekeeping. Let's go to all posts. Let's just click on that. Click on post. It brings us to all posts. And the hello world is a default post that comes when you install the WordPress. So I'm just going to trash that. You don't want it. It kind of throws off things a little bit. And same thing for pages. You end up with this thing called sample page right there. When you install WordPress, by default, they give you that one sample page. Delete that because it can throw things off a little bit. If you are starting with an existing site and you want to delete all the posts and pages and stuff in order to facilitate the replication, the duplication of the Themedy demo site, you can use the WordPress Reset plugin. And there's a link to that at the Themedy.com site. One last thing I'm just going to take a quick look at is the permalinks. Now, it's set right now on day and name. That's perfectly fine. It's acceptable. Everything will work properly if you do that. I personally prefer post names of all the defaults settings here that you have choices. I like post name. Either way is fine. I'm just showing you what I prefer. Post name. This is very popular. Okay, we're done. We should be done. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click the refresh button in my browser. Okay, and bing da da bang da da boom, you can see that this my demo site now looks exactly like the demo site at Themedy.com. And we're just going to click at least one link. I mean, that's really cool. So you can see the portfolio, the pages are the same, the home page is the same, and that's it. That's all. Don't forget to share with friends, family, and loved ones. I hope this helped. Take care and have a great day.